Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srujan. In this video, let's see how to fix the inkpad end of service error in Epson. It's always important to know what's the science behind it. Hence, we will understand why we need this feature and why the safety feature is incorporated in the printer software and more. So stick to this video till the end. So let's get started. Coming to the problem, it had been very long I had used this printer. Hence I decided to do a nozzle check and head cleaning so that I flush out the old ink from the tube and consume the ink from the container. That is when I encountered this error. When you click on the details, the error which appears on the screen says that the ink pad is at the end of its service lives and please contact the support. So now let's see what is this ink pad and why is this used and why protection against this is given in the software. These are also called as waste ink pads, which are just sponge pads inside your printer. The role of this is in absorbing, collecting, accommodating unused ink during the printing. If they start to overflow, your printer will stop working automatically. The printer manufacturer would have done a thorough research on the capacity of the ink pads used in respective model of printers. So to protect the ink overflow or a bad quality of prints, the printer company have come up with a logic called as protection counter or a waste ink counter. Once the counter reaches the maximum number as set by the printer manufacturer, your printer will stop working to prevent the ink leakage or a bad quality prints. When is the ink collected in these ink pads? Ink is collected during the initial setup, during the cleaning cycles, and when the printer is printing a borderless photograph. This message can be encountered by high volume users or those who use the printer for many years. Like any product in the market, even our printer parts have a finite lifespan, which is normally due to wearing of components. At some point, the printer will reach a condition where the print quality cannot be achieved. Hence, it is always advised to get it checked from a professional to fix the issue or replace the product. This video is just to help you when you need a printout and your software is not allowing because of your inkpad service error. I would recommend you to get it replaced from an authorized personnel if you don't have technical expertise in replacing it by yourself. Now let's see how to solve this issue. We would be requiring a program to fix this issue. Thanks to freeprinterdownload.org for this adjustment program. Please find the link to the software below. Here you can see I have extracted the zip file. Once you open the program, you need to do the following settings. I had the issue in Epson L220 printer. Only when you connect to your printer via USB, you will get this port option. Once you go to the waste ink pad counter screen, you need to check. So select the main pad counter and then click on check. Here actually I was not able to continue with the check, hence I restarted my printer, that is switched off and switched on. Then you click on check, it will work. Once the printer is restarted and you are able to read the value or the memory from the printer, here you can see that the printer is already reached the maximum number. Then you select the main pad counter again and click on initialize to reset the counter. In my case, again I was not able to continue because of the communication between the printer and the computer. Hence I restarted the printer, then the printer completed the initialization. Then again you need to switch off the printer and reboot the printer again, that is restart it again. You click on check and you see that the counter has been reset to 0. So now let's check whether the printer is working. Yeah, the printer was able to print the nozzle check pattern, and also the head cleaning was working. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.